You're so smart. Yes! Oh, not fair. It bounced off. He's like, I'm gonna just give it a quick chew as it's on its way down. Come on, stick it on. It's because he's not let go, huh?
Let it go. Hey, buddy. Hey. Say hi. Donna Barton.
Oh. But what about the green one?
Get that out of there.
You almost got it? You've almost got it? Here.
Yay.
Yay! Take that out.
Making some funny faces. Okay, I think we're done with this.